Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, for a long time I've been wanting to do this video. So I want to do a one brand hair care routine. I know I look dead because I'm just going to take back, that's why. It's been a while since I bought it and I've been wanting to try this thing out, and today's my third day here and I have to wash it anyway, so I thought why not try this out and share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching, and as always, if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe because it means the world, guys. Please do subscribe and join the family. Let's get started with the video. Alright, so I'm just starting to sweat, so let's just finish off the talking part fast. This is the whole thing that I was talking about. It is the RICHFEEL Argan Hair Spa with Moroccan oil, which sounds good to me. So I bought this off of Amazon. Let's open this. Okay, it comes in a good packaging, I guess. Okay. So this is a hair spa kit, which sounds good because my hair needs some nourishment right now. You open it. Ah. Okay. Yeah, we have 2 tubes and just 2 bottles right there. Alright, so let's get this straight. I got like 4 products out of the box. So it's all like really small sized products. As soon as I opened it, there's a nice fragrance around the room. I like it. A nice mild fragrance. I like fragrances, but I like them mild. I don't like them to be too strong that it gives me headaches. Coming to the hair oil, which is Argan Hair Spa with natural argan oil extracts hair spa kit oil 25 ml. It has in the ingredients mineral oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, argan oil, perfume, butylated hydroxytoluene. I don't know what that is, but so this is the first step in the hair spa kit. And these are around 4 to 6 ml of the oil onto your palm. Dip your fingers in it and gently massage in circular motions throughout your scalp. Leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash with argan shampoo. Shampoo is a really small sized packaging, guys, and it says that shampoo 25 gram less, guys, you need more. Work 8 to 10 grams of shampoo into your scalp, massaging gently with your fingertips for a full minute. Rinse thoroughly. Sure. Ingredients: there is perfume, of course, I can smell it, argan oil, citric acid, which are good, lots of paraben, which I don't think is good, and sulfate, which is good to cleanse your hair. But if you guys have really long hair, it might just get over with 2 uses maximum. Coming to the hair mask, 25 gram, very less. After shampooing, squeeze any excess moisture out of your hair. Leave it damp but not drenched. Apply 10 to 12 grams of nourishing mask evenly through the lengths and ends of your hair. Leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Here again, there is alcohol, paraffin, stearic acid, bringraj, which is good, shikakai, which is again good for your hair, argan oil, very good for your hair, lots of preservatives, amla powder, brahmi powder, kapoor kachari powder, which all I guess is good for your hair. And the 4th step is hair repair serum. So here it says, it doesn't say the ingredients. What?
Guys, where is the ingredients? 4 ingredients, the outer bottle. Where is the ingredients? Yeah.
Oh, it's a small bottle, so they couldn't probably print it here. So the hair repair serum is 10 ml, purified water,
Glycerin, hydroxyethyl, cellulose, water, chondrous crispus, I don't know what that is. Citric acid, argan oil, polyquaternium, 11 benzophenone 4, disodium EDTA. I've heard all of those in my chemistry textbook.
10 ml, pat dry any excess water from your hair. Squeeze 2 to 3 ml of the serum into your hands and distribute evenly through the mid-length to the ends of your hair. Do not rinse. Sure, I wouldn't. And that is the 4-step kit that we have here. We'll try this out and we'll see, because right now my hair is just...
It's hot.
So I have just opened up my hair and I'm just going to detangle it. Always before washing my hair, I'd like to just detangle my hair because it's easier that way to just manage your hair. So let's get started with the first step in the kit, which is the oil. It has a dropper and I really like the dropper. So according to what they said, I'm supposed to take some good amount into my hands. Supposed to take my fingertips, dip in the oil and apply it onto my scalp. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh, this is so less. I'm gonna kill this tube to get everything that I can get out of it. I don't know what is it with the texture of the mask. It has some grainy stuff in it. I'm not sure what that is. I hope it's natural. So yeah. Now I have the mask spread evenly throughout my hair. I'm just going to tie it up, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I it off. And I will get back to you guys. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just got out of shower and I have my whole hair wrapped up in the hair towel. So now I'm just going to wait until my hair is about 90% dry, and that's when I'm supposed to use the fourth step of the hair spa kit, which is the hair serum. So right now I'm just going to sit below my ceiling fan and try and air dry my hair. I don't use any kind of heating tools. Hey guys, so I got things a little wrong. So I thought I was supposed to dry my hair about 90% and then apply the serum. But as I was drying my hair, I took the box and saw, and it said you're just supposed to pat dry the excess water of your hair and then apply about 2 to 3 ml of this, which is of course the serum. And I dried it about 50% already, but it's still wet, it's still damp. So I'm going to apply about few drops of this from the mid-length to the ends of my hair. Yeah, it smells similar to the whole kit. That is what the serum looks like. It's about milky white. Not white actually, it's kind of milky color. But in hand it looks kind of yellowish. Still don't look very healthy, which I'm sad about. It is not an oil serum like the OGX or the Innisfree ones, which I shared with you guys in my hair care routine. It is a different kind of texture. It has a slimy texture and it just gets evaporated really fast. So as soon as you take it, you rub it and you apply it. If you keep rubbing it, it just evaporates in your hands itself. There won't be anything left to apply onto your hair. And it's kind of a watery texture. It just once you apply it, it doesn't feel like you've applied any kind of serum or just any oils or anything of that sort onto your hair. I think this would be really nice if you have really short hair or if you have oily hair. But for my hair, this part is okay with this serum, but I don't think my ends are happy. To find out the result, to find out if it has moisturized my hair, I need to dry my hair completely. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do because I'm sweating. I'm just gonna put on the fan, dry my hair completely and then get back to you guys. So I forgot to tell you guys that this one costs for 85 rupees and I got this from Amazon. It is almost 500 rupees and to the results guys, it doesn't feel like I've gone to a spa or I've done a hair spa, but it totally feels like I've done some kind of masking and there is some kind of nourishment that my hair has got. And my scalp totally feels clean. The shampoo did work, which is something that I doubted. And the serum, actually speaking, yes, it does sound good, but for someone like me who has dry hair, who has really frizzy and dry hair, the serum doesn't do much good. My hair doesn't feel very smooth and you know, when I touch it, it doesn't feel smooth, but it totally looks shiny and I like that. But I totally can give this whole mask a thumbs up because it does nourish your hair, but it didn't do that well. I will probably rate it out of 10 because especially the mask, I couldn't apply enough mask onto my hair. That is one thing that I'm really sad about. It's because my hair is super long, but if your hair is like mid-length or shorter hair, then you can probably use that whole mask onto your hair really generously and that would do a lot of goodness. I really like the mask. My hair smells like the whole spa kit, but it's not a very strong fragrance. It is a very mild fragrance and I really like the fragrance. So coming to the pros and cons. Pros, the smell is mild. The oil is very light and penetrating. I really like it. The shampoo is good. It cleanses your hair properly so you can totally get a clean scalp after the whole spa kit. It makes your hair shiny looking, which is amazing. Coming to the cons. First one, the product is very limited for the amount. The product is very less, so people like me who have long hair. The hair mask, I didn't even apply enough hair mask for like even this much part of my hair. That is sad. Second one, for people with very dry hair, the serum won't do much good because the serum is not an oil serum. And last one is that it contains a lot of parabens. So yeah, that is it with the whole video guys. So if you guys like this video, as always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also please do subscribe to my channel and share this video to support me. So yeah, with all of that said, thank you for watching guys. Love you all.